Alright guys, I'm gonna take this little quick Broadream S9 fake baby spark out here. Even though this wind is howling, I'm gonna take it up just for a minute. If it starts getting away from me, I'm just gonna drop it. So we'll see. We'll see if it's worthy. It's a great indoor flyer. I'm not running the Wi-Fi or nothing because I don't want no interference going on here whatsoever. Let me just start it out in the third rate. Now the wind really wants to take it. If you turn it to the side for some reason, let me see if I can. Now you can't trim this wind out. I mean, that's not happening. I'll try to do something, but I don't think that's going to work out. Believe me, it's doing yeoman's work here, just fighting this wind at my back. Because you feel I let it go, it's taking off to China right there. Okay? Well, I'm very impressed with the performance of this thing in this outdoors. Very impressed. Yeah, something happened there. This thing is very impressive, man. Even in them winds, man. It's fighting those winds. You see it bobble right over there. And it took it. A lot of these altitude hold deals, when that wind comes down on them, they won't just bobble. It'll push them right into the ground, you know. And sometimes you can't, there's a big wind coming at my back. A lot of times you can't even react to it, you know. It just comes, it comes so quick that, you can't even stop it. Okay, I'm just going to take it down. It's a big performer in the breeze. Okay, this thing is rock solid, man. Of course, it's going to flip over when it lands. How are you going to prevent that? Make sure you check the props and everything after you fly it out here. You don't want to get nothing caught up in there. Oh yeah, this is a real gem right here, man. I'm very impressed with this thing, guys. Very impressed. Sweet. All right, boys. Have a nice day.